Give thanks to the tide, give thanks to the day. Every breath still moving, show me the way. Morning breeze touch my skin, another chance to begin. Sunlight fall on open hands, blessed by simple plans. No complaint, no demand, just footprints in the sand. Life don't owe me a thing, still it gives me everything. If your heart feel low and weak, look around, not too far to seek. Every moment still alive is a reason to survive. Salt wave reggae, grateful tide, peace come walking by my side. Not too much, not too less, life feel whole in emptiness. Salt wave reggae, humble tone, teach me I'm not here alone. In the giving, in the thanks, we find wealth no bank can rent. Oh. Afternoon slow and wide, laugh echo from the other side. Shared meal, a simple plate, tastes better when we wait. Baseline warm like steady ground, drum remind me I am found. Every beat say you're okay, right here is the place to stay. No envy in a quiet mind, joy arrive when we're aligned. What is meant will always stay, what is not will fade away. Salt wave reggae, grateful tide, peace come walking by my side. Not too much, not too less, life feel whole in emptiness. Salt wave reggae, humble tone, teach me I'm not here alone. In the giving, in the thanks, we find wealth no bank can rent. Oh, 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 Nightfall soft, stars appear, every worry disappear. Not because they're gone for good, but I see them as I should. Let the fire burn real low, let the calm vibration flow. Nothing prove, nothing chase, grace arrive when we make space. Salt wave reggae, open heart, every end a brand new start. Old pain turn to wisdom sound, roots grow deeper underground. Salt wave reggae, here and now, this is all I need somehow. As the tide roll endlessly, I give thanks and I am free. Oh. If your chest feel tight with fear, stay right here, stay right here. Healing don't need rush or race. It arrive in its own pace. Salt wave reggae, healing tide. Let the sorrow drift aside. Every wound begin to close where the warm vibration flows. Salt wave reggae, calm and sure. Broken heart can find a cure. In the rhythm, soft and true, we remember who we knew. Whoa, na 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 na. Afternoon with open sky, cloud-like thought go passing by. No more war inside the mind. Peace is simple, peace is kind. Baseline hum like mother's voice. Say rest now, you got a choice. Every beat say you're okay, even on your weakest day. No shame in the tears you cry. Salt belong to sea and I. Let them fall, let them be. That's the start of being free. Salt wave reggae, healing tide. Let the sorrow drift aside. Every wound begin to close where the warm vibration flows. Salt wave reggae, calm and sure. Broken heart can find a cure. In the rhythm, soft and true, we remember who we knew. Night bring calm, stars align. Every soul take its time. Nothing rush, nothing forced. Healing follow its own course. Put your hand upon your chest. Feel the drum, feel the rest. You survive, you still stand. Life still open, wide and grand. Salt wave reggae, gentle flame. Call you softly by your name. Old pain fade, new hope rise. Clearer days before your eyes. Salt wave reggae, here we stay. One more step, one more day. As the tide return once more, we are healing to the core. Wave don't judge, wave don't lie. Come on, go like tears that dry. Slow breath, deep harmony. Salt wave reggae, remedy. Oh no, 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 no. steady beat. Carry tired, dusty feet wherever life decide to roll. In this sound, I'm always home. Afternoon sun, soft and low. Time move like a gentle flow. No regret for steps I made. Every choice a note I played. Baseline walk like trusted friend. Stay with me until the end. Drum remind me, slow and sure, all that broken can be cured. No finish line, no final game. Every now is perfect state. When you learn to rest inside, you don't fear the turning tide. Salt wave reggae, oh my fine. In the rhythm, peace of mind. Not a place drawn on a map, but a calm mind never lack. Salt wave reggae, steady beat. Carry tired, dusty feet wherever life decide to roam. In this sound, I'm always home. Nightfall calm, fire glow. Stories fade, embers slow. No more need to chase the light. It's been with me every night. Wave whispers, soft and low. You were home before you know. In the stillness, truth revealed. What is real is what you feel. Salt wave reggae, roots and sky. Hold me close as years go by. Old and new in harmony. This is where I'm meant to be. Salt wave reggae, final tone. Not goodbye, just moving on. As the tide return once more, I am home forevermore. Wa-da-da-da-da. Oh, hey. Wave don't end, it change its form. Home remain through calm and storm. Slow life, deep melody. Salt wave reggae, home in me, home in me. New dawn rising, soft light on the sea. Another chance breathing, another soul set free. First light paint the sky in gold. Night release the stories it holds. Every ending bowed today. Darkness gently fades away. Barefoot stand where water meet. Cold wave kiss my tired feet. Every breath feel clean and new. Morning say, I got you. If you stumble in the dark, trust the coming of the spark. Even shadows need the sun to remind us we're not done. Salt wave reggae, new dawn rise. Hope reflected in our eyes. Yesterday don't own today. We choose love alone. laugh without a care. No big plan, no heavy name, just the joy of staying sane. Bassline warm like morning prayer. Drum keep time, slow and fair. Every beat a gentle sign. Life's still good, life's still mine. No road straight, no promise sealed. Every wound already healed. In the act of moving on, strength is found, not borrowed, grown. Salt wave reggae, new dawn rise. Hope reflected in our eyes. Yesterday don't own today. We choose love along the way. Salt wave reggae, strong and kind. Heal the past, free the mind. With a rhythm clear and true, we begin again with you. We begin again with you. When the clouds return again and the heart remember pain, look ahead, not back in fear. Morning always waiting here. Let the light touch what was sore. Open every inner door. Nothing lost, nothing late. You arrive right on your day. Salt wave reggae, rising sun. Show us we are not yet done. Old roots deep, new leaves show. In the place we let love grow. Salt wave reggae, side by side. With the truth we don't divide. As the tide pull out and in, we forgive, we begin. We forgive, we begin. Wave Greek day, soft and slow. Teach the heart what it should know. Every dawn, a chance to see. Salt wave reggae, destiny. From the heart to the ocean core, slow road, open view, horizon wide, sky so blue. Morning drum from a distant shore, echo stories we heard before. Simple truth in a steady beat. Life feel right when the rhythm meet. Coffee steam in the early air, no heavy load, no cross to bear. Sun climbs slow, no need race. Time got space, we got grace. If your mind starts spinning fast, remember breath, remember past. Every step don't need to shine. Just keep walking, you'll be fine. Salt wave reggae, one drop flow. Teach the fast, hard move slow. Steady drum and bass so deep. Promises the soul can keep. Salt wave reggae, open sea. Wide horizon set us free. From the now to what will be. We move gently, we move free. Yeah, yeah. Midday shade under almond tree. Old man hum a melody. He says, son, the beat don't lie. It hold the truth if you comply. Guitars can cut clean and light, like sunlight through the night. Every note know where it land. soul can keep. Salt wave reggae, open sea, wide horizon set us free. From the now to what will be, we move gentle, we move free. When the clouds begin to crowd and the world gets sharp and loud, drop the weight you cannot hold. Trust the rhythm, brave and bold. Night will pass, dawn will rise, truth revealed in patient eyes. Keep your roots where you stand, reach your dreams with open hands. Salt wave reggae, ancient beat, modern feet on dusty street. One love echo far and wide, carry hope on every tide. Salt wave reggae, here we go, slow but strong, steady flow. As the horizon touch the sea, we become who we're meant to be. We've marked time soft and sure, nothing forced, nothing pure, just the now, wild and free. Salt wave reggae, one drop harmony.
Slow fire burn inside, quiet strength, steady guide. No big sound, no disguise, truth away behind the eyes. Morning tide pulls soft and low, teach the heart what it should know. That the loud don't always lead, and the rush don't plant the seed. Simple meal shared with grace, time slow down in a humble place. Old song hum in minor key, carry weight of memory. If the world feel hard and cold, remember warmth don't come from gold. Every soul got inner flame, burn it slow, not for the name. Salt wave reggae, slow fire burn. Every loss a lesson learned, not too fast, not too strong, just enough to carry on. Salt wave reggae, deep and kind, heal the cracks inside the mind. When the night feel long and thin, we find light from within. Oh, afternoon cloud drift by, like old thoughts learning how to fly. No regret for the road behind, every turn help redefine. Baseline walk with patient feet, drum and heart begin to meet. Every beat say you belong, even when you felt so wrong. No shame in falling down, rising slow still make you sound. What you feel is not a crime, healing, moving island time. Salt wave reggae, slow fire burn. Every loss a lesson learned, not too fast, not too strong, just enough to carry on. Salt wave reggae, deep and kind, heal the cracks inside the mind. When the night feel long and thin, we find light from within. Let the rain come if it must, wash the fear, restore the trust. Every tear got salt and truth, just like waves in endless youth. Hold your breath, feel the ground, you are safe in this sound. Nothing broke that can be mended, nothing lost that can be ended. Oh,
smiling face. Guitar skank in a lazy sway. Bassline talk what words can't say. Every note like a prayer in time. Living free in a slow sunshine. No gold chains, no heavy crown. Just roots deep in the sand we found. When the world feels cold and fast, we hold a moment, let it last. Salt wave reggae, carry me home. On the rhythm of the sea we roam. Easy living, heart so free. Roots by the ocean, that's where we be. Salt wave reggae, calm and true. Every tide sing a song for you. Under sunset sky so wide, we ride a wave, no need to hide. Old vinyl spin, it keeps me calm. Stories told with a smiling laugh. Life feel whole in a simple path. Drum go drop, one loving sound. Unity rise when the beat come round. No division, no angry cry. Just open hands and open sky. From the hill to the ocean floor. Same old truth we've been knowing for. Love is light, heavy is fear. Slow your step, the way is clear. Salt wave reggae, carry me home. On the rhythm of the sea we roam. Easy living, heart so free. Roots by the ocean, that's where we be. Salt wave reggae, calm and true. Every tide sing a song for you. Under sunset sky so wide, we ride away, no need to hide. When the night falls soft and slow, moonlight dance on the water glow. We don't need much, just fire and tune. A steady bass and a rising moon. Let the worries wash away like broken shells from yesterday. In this moment we remain. No rush, no stress, no change. Salt wave reggae, hold me tight. Through the dark and into light. Island heartbeat, pure and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Salt wave reggae, old and new. Ancient roots in ocean blue. As the tide come and subside, we live the truth, we feel alive.